Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my fish yam porridge, and these are the ingredients: yam, tomato mixture, which is tomato, pepper, onions blended together, blended crayfish, diced onions, palm oil, salt, sugar, which is optional, seasoning, and your smoked fish. So what you want to do is pour your diced and washed yam into a pot, bring it to a boil. Some people just like to put salt, but I added sugar and salt. I added sugar off camera actually, but some people don't like to put sugar. You just bring that to boil, let it get soft. Then in another pot, I placed another pot on the stove, added my palm oil into the pot and covered it to bleach. Please, when you're bleaching your palm oil, make sure you cover it. You still get the same result opened or covered, but when you cover it, the smoke doesn't get everywhere into your house and stuff. And before you open it, make sure the smoke settles before opening it. So I opened it and poured in my diced onions and my tomato mixture, gave it a quick stir, covered it, and allowed the water to reduce, the water from the tomato mixture to reduce. This is me just stirring it. Like, this process requires a lot of patience, so you need to be patient and stir and fry. Please don't leave it on the stove and go and sit down, do something else. You need to keep stirring and frying. So I added my blended crayfish into it. I just like the taste blended crayfish gives any meal at all. It takes the flavor to another level entirely. So I added that into it. I added seasoning, added salt, and I continue to stir and fry. Please stir and fry. You want to make sure you stir it properly and you fry it. You have to keep an eye on it. So when it got fried to my liking, I poured in my smoked fish, and I think it's called ack, the fish. I think it's called, the English name is ack. I'm not sure, it should be called ack. I think it's ack. Anyways, this is the smoked one. We call it, Yoruba people call it eja egun. I just added that to it, and the salt wasn't enough, so I added a little bit more to it. I gave it a quick stir, allowed it to fry properly, then poured in my fried pepper into the yam, the soft yam. And when they add their sauce into the yam, some people don't like it when they still see like the chunks of yam in it. I like to see the chunks of yam in it and mash some as well. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Mashed yam, and I like to see the chunks in it as well. So that's what I did. I just mashed a little bit and left a lot of chunks in the pot. So this is me just stirring and stirring. I let it to simmer away, and yeah, it was ready to delicious as usual. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments down below, like this video and share my video as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.